Alright everyone, so we're back here. This is going to be the number 18 or 2 1/4 inch clipper guard. Yeah, first of all I want to show you the little box that, comes with like 8 pieces. Basically for number 10, 12, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, maybe I missed one. I don't know, I think it might come with the 14 as well. But, yeah, here's just me, of course, cutting over it. Again, I say this in all the videos. You can't mess this up if it's one even length. You're just going each side, trying to get as much off as possible. For this, it's just a little trim. My hair is not, significantly longer before the haircut, so it's just, I'll show you a little bit of the hair to prove that it was indeed a haircut and not just a bunch of nothing, so yeah, got my little cheap barber cape to cover the clothes. But yeah, here's the little clip with the little hairs. So we're back, showered up, cleaned up the hair and all that, the little hairs that stick after. Put a little bit of beard oil on my beard, obviously, and some of my hair. I'm gonna try to style it with this cheap dollar store hair cream. I like to use it when I'm trying to test out hairstyles and whatnot. I'm just gonna apply it and try to style it a little bit, and pretty much this is what a number 18 would look like. But here we are, finished product. Again, what a number 18 would look like. Just a quick trim basically on my hair, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.